Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video showing you how to reset the service light on this 2018 Mazda CX5. If we just pop the ignition on, and just see we've got a message on the display there just saying about the oil change. Now it's quite a straightforward reset to do. Some of the earlier models you did it through the dash here with the buttons on the steering wheel, but on this one it's got this big display there. We'll do it through the display. All you need to use is this little button there, and just press it to enter, and obviously twist it to scroll. So, but to start with, if you scroll through, you want to get to where it says applications, just simply press it down to go onto there. You can scroll down to the status monitor. Once you're on there, you've got maintenance, you've got your oil change there, you can see your distance left. Once you go into that, you can just simply press the reset button, just confirm it. That's done that, and then if you go back, you've got your service one as well there, and you can do exactly the same in that. So reset both of them now. And if we go back off that menu, and we'll just simply turn the ignition off, and we'll turn it back on again. I just had to skip the video quick because I'd not come across an issue on one of these before, and we've just showed you, just pop the ignition back on. The actual message about the oil reset is still on the dash there. You can just see oil change due. But if you run through the options on the info, you can just see the service has been reset, but we've still got the oil message on. And there's actually another, just to get that oil change message, it looks like it can only be done with a diagnostic machine. So we've got this plugged in using a snap-on scanner here, but a lot of the scanners that have other functions other than just reading the fault codes will do this function. But if we go into the engine ECU, there's an option on there just for the engine oil. If we just run through that, once we've done that, if we just turn the ignition off, back on again, you can now see that that's actually reset the message. So it does look like on these later ones, on the earlier ones, you used to be able to just do it straight through the dash there and it would clear everything. But on this age one, it looks like you can only reset the service interval on the using the vehicle. To actually reset the oil message, you're gonna have to do it with a diagnostic machine, that's all. I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.